How to open a voice room and HelloTalk app. Now, first things first, for you to be able to have this feature, all I have to do first is to make sure that your HelloTalk Learn Languages application is updated to the latest version. So you just simply head over to Google Play Store or to wherever you have downloaded the app and ensure that the update button is not visible. If it is, just simply tap on that and it will automatically do the magic by itself. Next thing you do is, of course, access HelloTalk and make sure that you're fully logged into your account. You should be able to know if you're logged in because it is indicated on the Me tab right here. Now, these options below, like HelloTalk, Connect, Moments, Voice Room, and then the Me tab, are all the features that HelloTalk is operable that you can use. For you to access the voice rooms, just simply head over to the option that says Voice Room, and then once you hit on that, you should able to see a multiple chat rooms that you can go ahead and join. In here, if you would like to create your own voice room, all you have to do is to subscribe to one of their features for you to be able to create on your own. If you do not want, just simply choose on any rooms you want and start talking. So that is how you open a voice room and Hello Talk app.